YouTube, Joe from Oz here. Today we've got an issue on this machine where the needle change motor is blocked. And we also see this take-up lever is dropped, which is in a different position to these others, so I'm going to pull this panel off and see what we see. So ordinarily if a needle change is blocked, it's because of the clinker and latch dropping. But here we have a correctly positioned clinker and latch, but what we do have is this out of time. So I'm going to pull the rest of this head off. And another ball bearing. It's not usual. Oh, yeah, check that out. We do have spares though.
Interesting.
So, what I'm trying to say is, okay, first one of these I've ever seen. Yeah, it looks like we're still okay here. It's got a bit of a groove on the cam, but the cam's still intact. A little bit of thread around there, which we'll clean up. Get rid of any loose balls. Lubrication with Galatamo across the front. Take the levers going. Sorry, Dad?
Clever ingenious, go to the end of the bloody hose.
Oh. Maybe it shot off at quite a high velocity from the thing going pop. Okay, we're on needle 2. Bit of Blattner there. You've got Blattner on the nose. Touch more here. Now we need to put our 2 covers on. Okay, so lubrication. We've got our 2 plates on the cover now. We've got ourselves positioned on needle 2 on the take-up levers, matching needle 2 on the nearby head. Alright, we have a needle bar ready to go back on. Straight. Is that one tight? Yes. Remember, like a steel trap. That bar is to hold the needles up in the right spot. So we've got 2 little discs here, one disc and 2 screws that set position left and right, so you want it hard right against that disc. Don't need to gromp too hard on these. Do it up till it breaks and back it off a quarter turn, the usual setting. Check position, make sure everything up here is nice and central. So you've got no take-up levers likely to rattle against the side openings. These are the 2 long screws, the other 6 are shorter. They usually just go to about halfway. Okay.
we've got a few left.
Yeah, yeah.
Sort of say some parting words.
Well, now we string it up, see if it works.